Let's recap yesterday, which I've already covered. I drove like 3 or 4 hours in the rain, non-stop, steady rain, cold, but with that suit, it was great. No complaints. I had sushi in Fort Nelson. It was okay. It was like chilled to the bone. I couldn't even had hot tea and soup. I was still cold from just that trip. Anyway, my goal was to get to Strawberry Flats campground. It was full. Like I might have discussed already, I had to ride over these rocky terrain to get to the lake. I got to set up and tent wouldn't work because I couldn't get the pegs in. Plus, I forgot how to set up the tent, so I couldn't watch the video because I had no internet connection. And why am I wearing glasses? Because my girlfriend said take 2 pairs of contacts with you in case you lose one or 2. Well, a couple days in, I lost one already, so I'm down to my last pair. So I'm wearing glasses because I don't want to hear "I told you so." There you go. So I had to stay at this place. It's called, I don't know what it's called. Something Lodge. NR Lodge, River Lodge, I don't know. Northern Rockies Lodge, whatever. Nice people. Cost me like 230 something Canadian. I still don't know how much that is in American dollars. 230 I didn't expect to spend today. Because I thought I'd camp last night. It would have been perfect camping too. I had everything all out of the bike. So by the time I put everything back on the bike, I was exhausted. Stayed here, no AC. Nice looking room. I mean, view of the Rockies, I guess. But it was warm because there's no air conditioning, no fan. Not a fan of not fan. Not a fan of no fan. Dinner wasn't that good. How do you mess up a steak? They did. Breakfast was very good. People are so nice here. That's one good thing. Anyway, my plan today, head to Whitehorse. Also had no cell signal at all. I didn't know where I was. So I have the Garmin app, so I was able to text, to say I was okay. Plan today is get to Whitehorse. It's like 436 miles. I'd like to go further, but there's no hotels available further than that. And I'm not going all the way to Alaska. That's too far. So I'm going to stop at Whitehorse, and then the next day is going to be a big ride to Fairbanks. Almost in Alaska. I'll hit you on the road with any updates. Later. Who is this? Fuck. Easy, big fella. You. Whew, I'm a little scared. Don't get upset now. Dude, why you gotta be by yourself? Let's go. Still on my way to Whitehorse. Had to stop with a fleece on. Freaking cold. Temperature keeps dropping. This weather is crazy. It's either rainy, warm, then cold. Cold again. Love these heated hand grips. My gloves aren't the best, I guess. They're good warm weather gloves. Or somewhat cold weather. Not this cold weather. I mean, it's like 52 degrees. It's actually nice when you're not moving. But once you start moving, doing 80 on these wide open plains, it's cold. Just saw a giant bison off by himself on the side of the road. Thing was huge, but I wasn't stopping. I don't want to piss him off. Also, check this out. The crazy glue that I used to fix this helmet was in my pocket, and it exploded in my pocket. So now my pocket's all glued together with the crazy glue stuck to the pocket. I had to pry it out. I probably ripped my whole inside. It's the adventures I have. This armor. Alright, you don't have to watch me get dressed. See you at the next stop.